Hello, welcome to Jerry Monetization Vlog. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my YouTube journey, biggest regret and lessons. All right, these are the things I wish I knew when I started YouTube. So stay with me to the end of this video. You are going to learn useful tips which will help you to grow your channel and avoid some early mistakes. All right, so having talked about the policy issues, now another thing I wish I knew when I started YouTube was that the struggle is real. If I knew the struggle is real, I believe it would have helped me to confront some early challenges. What challenges am I talking about here? Overcoming self-doubt. Now, as a new beginner, one of the things you are likely to face is self-doubt, imposter syndromes. Now, you have to build confidence in your channel. Build confidence in your content and stay motivated. What usually causes doubt is low viewership. So if I knew that low viewership exists on YouTube, if I knew that the struggle is real, I think that would have helped me to overcome these early challenges. Because as a new beginner, you are going to struggle with low viewership. Now, this low viewership is tend to cause self-doubt. This low viewership might cause you to lose confidence in your content. So you have to learn to confront these early challenges because the struggle is real. So the key is consistency. You probably might feel your channel is not going to perform well, your content is not going viral. So because of this, you might probably reduce the rate at which you make videos. But this shouldn't, so you have to be consistent with your content. Now, if I knew the struggle is real, probably I would have posted more often than I was doing. This is not actually my main channel that I upload regularly. What I use this channel for is to share my lessons and to share what I have observed in the YouTube platform. Things that worked for me and things that didn't work. That is the purpose of this particular channel. So if you check this channel, you might not see enough videos because what I do here is I come when I feel like, okay, this is a new tip that I have to give to my audience and it worked for me and it also worked for them. So talking about the confronting the early challenges, one of the keys is consistency. And now, consistency, the better way to build this consistency is by the power of routine. Now, when we talk about consistency, you must know the power of routine because that is what will give you that consistency you need. So, how can you be consistent? And how is this power of routine going to keep you consistent? Now, you have to build a content calendar. Content calendar, what I mean by this is planning and scheduling your videos for a consistent posting schedule. Okay, you have to, let me break it down. You have to let your fans, your followers, your subscribers, you have to let them know when to expect the next video. That is the power of schedule. If your content calendar is to be posting on Fridays, now your viewers, your subscribers, they know that you do post on Fridays. So even if they don't get a notification, because it's not every time that YouTube will send someone a notification about your content. So even if they don't get a notification, they'll know that this is Friday. You are going to post a video. So they will go to your channel to check if you have dropped a new video. So that is the power of routine. The better way, the best way to be consistent is embracing the power of routine, scheduling your videos. If you wait till Friday and say, okay, I'm going to post this video on Friday something might come up and you won't be able to post that video. So it's better to schedule that video for Friday, so that even if you are not active, the video will be active on your channel. So that is the power of routine. Now, another thing is engaging your audience. If you know the struggle is real, you have to engage your audience. Despite the number of audience you have, despite the number of following you have to engage them. You have to make them know that their presence in your channel matters. So when they drop a comment, you have to reply. Now, this is a better way to build loyal following. Now, another thing is measuring progress and analyzing data, understanding viewers' engagement metrics, and refining your approach. Since you understand that the YouTube platform is a struggle, if you understand the struggle is real, you have to always take your analysis. You have to always know, analyze, check your matrix, know what is working and what is not working. Know what your audience wants to watch, know what they dislike. So these are the ways you can be successful on YouTube. So if I knew these things earlier, probably I wouldn't have lost my first channel. And the first channel, I made a whole lot of mistakes, which I later went back, went through the policies and understood some certain things. Some people create channels and they are posting different things, different niche in just one channel. It doesn't make sense. Your audience cannot be engaged with that channel, because if they get the notification, they don't know what you posted about. They don't know if you posted about sports. They don't know if it's comedy. So it's messed up. Don't do such thing in your channel. Now, having said that, another thing is you have to understand the future is bright. You have to understand the future is bright. Looking ahead with confidence, setting goals and building a vision, planning for future growth, and expanding your content strategy. You must understand the future is bright. So keep looking ahead with confidence. Understanding copyright and fair use. Avoid content disputes. Here are my advice to you. Plan for future growth and expand your content strategy. Understand copyright and fair use. Avoid content dispute. This can limit your content distribution. Focus on quality, not on quantity. High quality content will make your channel go viral. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. Make sure what you are giving out there is worth watching, like I always tell you in my videos. That is the best way to grow your channel. Understand the time your viewers are more likely to be online. Although these metrics only appear to use content creators with a whole lot of views. If you are struggling with the low viewership, you will not be able to know when your viewers are most likely to be online. So channels with much views, they do show the metrics of when your viewers are more active on the YouTube platform. So if your channel has gotten to the limit, to the extent where you see these metrics, you have to utilize it. Know the right time to post your videos. This will give you a better insight on scheduling your videos. So these are the lessons and the mistakes which I had earlier, and I've learned from them. I have corrected a lot of things and it's working out for me. Try these things I said here. Avoid these mistakes and we will all meet at the top. Thank you for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my next video. My next video is about 3 unexpected ways to boost your channels. You can't afford to miss it. Thank you. See you in the next video.